You know, because they have a cracking weekend. And because they know they start on Monday. So hence why they feel like that. Oh man, you drop.
No!
You're dropping the green paddy. Paddy.
You can't go there. That's it.
Paddy.
No more.
Oh mate, that's the best part as well, mate. Yeah? Hey. Yo, this lad is a waster, mate. You wasted all the good bits as well.
No. Oh.
I think you can have the next one, mate. I think you can.
No.
Monday morning, guys. Welcome back to a banger. Heading off to work. So, as you see, it was what? Almost 5:30, something like that. So now, driving to work now. Start the day. Monday. I would love to say bright and shine, but it's not. Come on, let's do this, baby. Just pulled up to one of my favorite places. Can't get better than this on a Monday. Good old Krispy Kreme. So I'm just gonna go in and grab some donut. I know a lot of people on a Monday feel a bit down all the time. So just gonna put a bit of smile on their faces, you know what I mean? So you never know. This is my favorite right here. Yum yum in my tum tum. One dozen donuts. Can't beat that on a Monday. Gotta put a smile on the boy's face. I'll show you what I'm having. So really and truly, I can't help myself. I definitely need to smash these back. Oh, look at that. Oh, please, mate. Nice little cup of latte and one glazed donut. I can't help myself. Monday morning, I've cheered myself up. Maybe when I get back, I do maybe 1,000 sit-ups or something like that. Who knows? But hey guys, do whatever to please yourself. You know what I mean? If you're a bit overweight and you want a donut, eat it. You know what I mean? Love yourself. Go and have a bite. Just had my fair share of donut, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pack this away real quick, head back, start the day, and I know for sure this will definitely put a smile on a lot of people's face, especially Paddy. So, still got 11 there to go. For now, if not after eating myself.
Let's go, get with him! Yes, lad. Are you going alright?
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna head back over to the gym and dish these donuts out. I have a Monday morning feeling. I don't know why people don't like Monday, but I think Monday is a good day to start the day. Let's put it that way. Come on, let's go for the gym.
Yes, lad.
Donut lads.
Oh, there we go. What would you like? A ring? Or would you like a little pink number?
No, mate, it's for you, mate. It's for you and the boys. And I'll follow the hard work while you bid for Pirbright, mate.
No, you like this.
I know your hard work.
No. Modern Army. Healthy option.
Exactly. Munch it, mate. Why everyone ate Mondays, mate?
Why?
Yeah.
Because have a good weekend. That's why.
Is that the reason why?
Yeah.
You think so?
Nah. Diet, mate. Diet sauce.
Come on, thank you, mate. Come on, what, mate? Come on, have it, mate. Come on, mate. Everyone love Christmas, mate.
Nah, mate, look.
Everyone love Christmas, boy.
Mate, I'll show you what I'm on now.
Oh, look at him. He's
Yes.
2020, he's flipping it there.
New year, new me, mate.
20. Oh, I like that. Oh dear, which coat you stole? You sure don't want one, mate?
Nah, good, mate, nah.
George, you sure, George?
After this time, mate.
George is
6
sweet,
mate,
George.
6 mate, I'll have one after, mate.
Yeah, mate. When it's gone, mate.
Yeah, I've got 11 miles to do the day, mate.
When it's gone, mate.
Yeah, mate. Oh, that one there, yeah.
Most of the PTIs are scared to have a donut. Honestly, I don't know why, but you know, we can have a donut, mate. How long as you go in the gym, smash yourself, and you don't just let yourself go. You know what I mean? But hey, if you want to let yourself go, it's up to you as well. You get me? You do whatever make you happy. And that's what it's about. 2020. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We still got 5 donuts to go. I got a meeting 10:30, so I've half an hour. So I'm just gonna go up to my mate, work up in the dental center, and see if she's there, see if she wanna smash a donut as well. Come on, you take one, I know you love donuts. Come on.
You think you give me the whole box?
No, you take one, you have everybody.
We can't just go take one donut and just walk in the dental center like that.
Wow, you wanna take the whole box? Everybody asks a donut, you know. You can't just eat the whole of the donut.
Which one is this one?
Strawberry, man.
This?
Come on.
So you
I love donuts.
So you expect me to work in the dental center as a dental nurse telling the recruits, oh, sugar is bad for your teeth. And this is the life you're having me doing, yeah?
It says my fault.
So I tell the recruits, yeah, practice what I say, not what I do. Here you go. Thank you very much for my donut. I'm a dental nurse telling recruits not to eat donuts and you're giving me donuts.
Hey, we all love donuts. Yo, me ask a question. Why people hate Mondays though?
Why people hate Mondays?
Yeah.
Because you didn't get a good weekend, that's why people hate Mondays?
So I've just finished meeting. Now we have 4 donut left. So got some guys here in the swimming pool. They would definitely have it. Let's go.
Bit funny I'm about to.
Oh mate, he's having one. See, good lad, top lad. He don't care about calories. He's putting it in. I think where's there?
Who are you going to share this with?
No mate, take one. I'm sharing it with the boys. I think where's boys? He's going on YouTube, mate. See, he's in, top bloke. Don't care about calories. He's burning off in a bit.
Running in a bit.
So still up all. 3 to go. 1 for Blair, and 2 more. I don't know who's for.
Thanks, Bob.
Question for you: why people hate Monday?
Why do people hate Monday? It's too far from the weekend. I'm alright. John Lennon once said, if you find the right job, you'll never do a day's work in your life. That's me.
This guy's on it. See you later, mate.
See you later.
Enjoy.
We're on a diet, mate. We're on a diet.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Come on, big dinner for you. Come on. Cheers, mate. One box with wing nets. No, 1 donut. Just the 3, mate.
No, I'm on a diet.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, me this morning. Okay. Picking up the floor now.
I'll put it for you, mate. Squatty, hit it. Paddy, come on over the board, Paddy.
Well, hold it for you, mate. I'll have a roll, mate. I'm on a diet. I'll put it. Hang on, mate.
He's the magic man!
Put this up, mate.
This is a low fat one.
Birthday boy. Birthday
No
boy.
fuck, mate.
One for you, mate. Would you like the big hole in the centre?
What's the best
Macadamian.
What's the best I can kick that off your head?
Would you,
Right, you keep it there.
No,
I was going to say, you keep that and I'll take those two.
I'm here to get my free goodies. Side by side. 3 up. So you get one. Free sweets and Mars bar.
There you go.
Is that it?
Oh, yeah. Is it? Yeah, true.
That's it, yeah?
So ready-made, please.
Okay. That's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Next week again, same time. Okay, no worries. Cheers. So I've just been told about this app here. So if you download, if you have an Android phone or Apple phone, smartphone. So if you download this app right here, side by side, so you get a free protein Mars bar and also sweets for the kids. You don't know, kids love sweets. So I'm just gonna head back now, check my emails, get changed and do a nice little gym session. Burn these little calories off. Come on, let's do it. Seems like we got a new delivery. Let's see if this is open. Oh. Yo, this weigh a ton. Oh, yeah. So, I got a few reasons why people hate Mondays. Yeah? So, I've put a post on my Instagram feed and basically I got loads of reply back. People said Monday. They pretty much on the 7 peak, morale is really high. Yeah, because most of them do work on the weekends and also they do get the Monday off. And some people look on Monday as a positive also, which is really good because Monday is like a fresh start for the weekend. Yeah, so that is really good as well. Tuesday for some people, morale is slightly a bit low, a bit yeah, bit of 4 there. Wednesday is really high, so you got a big fella coming right here, super happy. Yeah, so he's all the way up 9, super happy. Then Tuesday, same detail again. Yeah, really happy again. And also Friday and Saturday, that's his way on the scale chart here, guys, all the way up 10. And also Saturday, Sunday, super high, morale is really high. And then back again to Monday, which is some people a bit mixture feeling. Yeah, so a bit between 4 and 7. Yeah, so depends on which level you're at, but always keep them right high, guys. Yeah, bit of smile on your face. Yeah, and start the day. All right, guys, so I've just finished meeting just now, so got the last donut left. I got the last donut to go, and it's going to the lucky winner on a good old Monday morning. But yeah, as I said, Monday is not easy for a lot of people. But yeah, just to put a smile on everyone's faces. You know what I mean? Just lighten up the mood. You know, so they can basically look on Monday on a different light. Oh yeah, here it is.
I'm getting fat now. Free donut. Do you want half of it? Do you want half?
I don't eat donuts.
You don't eat donuts?
Yeah, it's good, mate.
Good one, yeah? Happy birthday, mate.
He's 25.
Lord, is that it?
How old is he? 21.
Monday, mate. Monday morning blues.
Monday morning blues.
Monday morning blues.
Mate, I've always got Monday morning blues, man.
So Brett, ask you a question, mate. Yeah, so which day of the week best day for you, mate?
Friday.
Friday, mate. 6.
Well, why Friday?
Because the start of the weekend, man.
Yeah, start the weekend, get myself down to the pub Friday evening.
It's what about Monday? You don't like Monday? No one likes Monday.
But you gotta wake up early, get back into the routine, ain't you? It's not my thing.
It's not good. Monday's not good. I don't know. Anyway, guys, you don't know. Peace, love. I'm out.
I'm in the cage.
Be happy, don't worry, be happy now.
Welcome to the army. 90 days.